Good morning, students. In our chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum, we have already discussed about the different type of natural resources. In that, we have discussed about the coal and its types, and in today's class, we will discuss about the petroleum. Students, nowadays in our day to day life, petroleum is very important. Means without petrol, our all vehicles they are completely depend on the petrol. So petrol is a dark colored and thick oily liquid. We get it from the earth crust. It is dark in color and thick oily liquid. It has an unpleasant smell also. Okay, उसकी जो smell होती है वो भी unpleasant होती है. In Greek language, petra means rocks and oleum means oil. Understand the meaning of this? The word the meaning is petroleum means oil from rocks. We are getting petrol from rocks. The exact meaning of petroleum is this. Students, how formation of petroleum takes place? First we will discuss this. Petroleum was formed by the decomposition of dead plants and animals buried under the sea millions of years ago. Okay, for conversion of this dead plants and animal remains, they required millions of years to convert into petrol. It is not in a pure form. It is a mixture of several hydrocarbons having one or more than 100 carbon atoms. Okay, इसके अंदर 100 carbon atoms से भी ज़्यादा present होते हैं. It is not formed in a pure form. It is believed that millions of years ago the plants and animals that lived in the sea died. Their died bodies sank to bottom of the sea and were soon covered with clay and sand. Okay, whatever sea animals and plants which are present in the sea, after dying, they sank to the bottom of the sea and they covered with the sand and clay. Over millions of years under high pressure and temperature and in the absence of air, these dead remains they get converted into petroleum. It then passed through the porous rocks and got trapped between the non-porous rocks. A more volatile component of petroleum called natural gas forms a cover over it. See this picture. This is the occurrence of petroleum under the surface of the earth. This is a drilling rig that we are using to take out the petrol from the earth's crust. This is a natural gas, okay, and here this brown color, it is the earth crust, okay. This is a second layer, it is also of rocks. This is third layer, this is impervious rocks, and this yellow one you can see, this is a petrol, okay, and this bluish is water, and here are the impervious rocks, okay. So this layer above the sea level, above the water level, we can get the petrol. This is about the formation of petrol and how this petroleum is obtained. For petroleum, we have to this petroleum and natural gas are found under the layer of water, above the layer of water, because petroleum and natural gas are lighter than water and do not mix with water. See here, this is a water layer, okay. Above the water layer we can get this petrol, because water is heavier than petrol, so it do not get mixed in the water. Natural gas and petrol, they both are lighter than water, so we can get it from above the layer of water. First of all the areas where we can get the petrol may be present or are located by the experts. First, experts they can view their ideas, or they can study about the particular place where we can get the petrol properly. After that, such type of petroleum is obtained by drilling holes. Okay, we have to drill the holes. See here, like this, we have to drill the holes. Okay, and after drilling this hole, it is called the drilling rigs. Okay, and into the earth crust by machine. With the help of machine, we can use this drilling rig. So with the help of this, we can take out the petrol. In India, petroleum is found in Assam and Gujarat. It is also found in the basins of Godavari and Krishna rivers. Petroleum is also used under the seabed at the distance of 150 kilometers from Mumbai, called the Mumbai High. These are the different places like Assam, Gujarat, and basins of Godavari and Krishna, and Mumbai High. It is away from Mumbai 150 kilometer away. So we can there also we can get the petrol. This is about the how we can obtain the petrol. After obtaining petrol, how we have to refine it properly. Okay, that I already informed you. This is not enough petrol. The petrol which we get from inside the earth crust, it is not in a pure form. It is a mixture of hundreds of carbons. So we have to refine it properly. हमें उसको अलग अलग करना है. See here, this is the actual method or a fractional distillation of petroleum. Okay, so petroleum is a complex mixture of petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, fuel oil, and paraffin wax. See, this type of other substances are present in the petrol. So it is, we can call it a crude oil also, because it is not in the pure form. It is present in the mixture form. Okay, so we cannot use it directly from earth crust, कि directly हमने पेट्रोल को with the help of drilling rig से निकाल के and directly we can use in the vehicles. No, it is not possible. For this we have to refine the petrol. Okay, so we need to separate various constituents of the petroleum, so it has to be purified or refined. Okay, so the process of separating various constituents or useful fractions of petroleum is called the refining of petrol. Okay, उसके जितने भी यूज़फुल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं, हमें उसको क्या करना है, अलग अलग करना है, तभी हम उसका एक प्रॉपर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. See here, this petrol is heated up to 400 degrees Celsius, and this is a crude oil. Okay, crude oil is passing to here, and this is a fractional distillation. And here, after passing in the very lower level, this is residue like bitumen and paraffin wax will separate here. After that, lubricating oil, here different columns are there. Okay, after that fuel oil is obtained, and then diesel and bubble cap is present here, and after diesel we can get the kerosene, and at the and here petrol, and at the last petroleum gas. Okay, so according to their purity, they can separate in this fractional distillation. Okay, this petroleum gas is the purest form. Okay, and here petrol we can get with the process of this. In this table, these various constituents are given, and we have to understand by the reading that boiling, what is the boiling point of the petroleum gas. Okay, number of atoms are present, and what are their different uses. I hope students you understand about the petroleum. Next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.